Hi friends!
Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to the picturesque town of Fernie, British Columbia, a hidden gem nestled in the heart of the Canadian Rockies. Known for its stunning natural beauty and vibrant community, Fernie offers a unique blend of outdoor adventure and small-town charm. The town's history dates back to the late 1800s when it was founded as a mining town. Fernie was named after William Fernie, a prospector who played a key role in the development of the coal industry in the area. Fernie is located in the southeastern part of British Columbia, near the Alberta border. It is surrounded by the majestic peaks of the Lizard Range and the rugged wilderness of the Rocky Mountains, making it a haven for outdoor enthusiasts.
Thank you very much.
The Elk River flows through the town, providing ample opportunities for fishing, kayaking, and other water activities. Whether you're here to experience the great outdoors, immerse yourself in the local culture, or simply relax and enjoy the mountain air, Fernie offers a memorable experience that will leave you longing to return. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Fernie, British Columbia.
Thank you very much.
Thanks for watching.